DWI cases are decided by details, timing, and judgment. And what happens early on in the case matters far more than what people realize. A DWI arrest is serious, but it is not the same thing as a conviction. Too many people assume the outcome before they've even had a chance to analyze the state's evidence. That assumption is usually a mistake. When I review a DWI case, I focus on how the case was built. Why did the stop happen? What did the officer rely on? How were the tests performed? And can any of that evidence be admitted at trial? That kind of review requires patience, attention to detail, and judgments. It is not about rushing to conclusions. A lot of DWI cases don't turn on one dramatic moment. They turn on whether the evidence holds up, whether the testing was done properly, and whether the assumptions made early on during the stop are supported by proof. That's why it matters to have somebody evaluating your case carefully from the start, rather than just rushing through conclusions before the evidence is understood. DWI cases don't resolve themselves. They're tested over time through evidence, credibility, and judgment. If you're facing a DWI charge in El Paso, Texas, this is the moment where having the right attorney matters. Call or text my office and we can talk about your situation.